In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on Vinted. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so your Vinted interface appears in the language you prefer. First, open your favorite web browser and head to vinted.com. I'm showing this on the website because it's the most consistent across devices. Make sure you're on the official site and that you're signed into your account so you can access your profile options. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. This is typically a small circular avatar or a silhouette. Click that icon to open a quick menu that gives you access to your account controls. From this menu, choose Settings. This will take you to the area where you manage your account and preferences. It's the central place for things like notifications, profile info, and, of course, language. Inside Settings, find and click Profile Details. This section holds your personal information as it appears on Vinted, and it's also where the language option lives on the website layout. Now scroll down the Profile Details page. Take your time as some sections are compact and easy to miss. You're looking for the field labeled Language or a similar label indicating the site language. It's usually presented as a drop-down menu. When you see the language option, click it and select your preferred language from the list. The list typically includes all supported interface languages for your region. Keep in mind that changing this affects the language used for menus, buttons, and general navigation. It doesn't automatically translate user-generated listings or messages, and currency or shipping settings may be managed separately depending on your region. After choosing the language you want, make sure to save your change. Click Update Profile to confirm. This is important. If you navigate away without updating, your selection won't be applied. Once you click Update Profile, the page may refresh, and you should see the interface switch to your chosen language right away. If the change doesn't appear immediately, try refreshing the page or briefly signing out and back in. Also, remember that your browser's cache can sometimes delay visual updates, so a quick refresh usually does the trick. That's all you need to do. You've successfully changed the language on Vinted using the website. If you use the mobile app, the option is found in a similar place under Account Settings, though labels can vary slightly. Thanks for watching, and enjoy browsing Vinted in the language that suits you best.